Hello students, welcome to RD Chemistry. I am going to discuss a NEET 2022 paper. Let's see how it looks like. Since I'm a chemistry teacher, I'll be dealing with the chemistry questions only here. So let us start now. Let us see the section A of chemistry. Question number 51 from periodic table. Answer is option number 1. Question number 52 from chemical bonding. Answer is option number 3. Question number 53 from resonance, some basic concepts and principles in organic chemistry. That is, third one is the answer here. Question number 54, oxidation state of lead, group 14 elements. Answer is option number 1. Question number 55, the salt which is least likely to be found in minerals can be from isolation of elements. About the ores, answer is fourth one. Question number 56. Which of the following can be purified by the sublimation? It can be from basic techniques in organic chemistry, okay, or from halogen series. That is a group number 17. Answer is option number 4. Highest oxidation state of chromium is, this is from the D block element. Answer is option number 4. Question number 58 about the polydentate ligand. Answer is option number 2. Question number 59, glycinato ligand is option number 3. Question number 60 about the tertiary radicals from basic principle and techniques in organic chemistry. Answer is option number 3. Question number 61, carbon atoms in the compound are, answer is option number 3 here. Then two compounds are given here. What type of isomers are they? There are 5 carbon atoms and there are 6 carbon atoms. Molecular formula is not same. Therefore, answer is fourth one. These are not isomers. Question number 63 about Rx giving the product in the presence of sodium metal, and this is a Wurtz reaction. Answer is option number 4. Question number 64 from the haloarenes about the carbon chlorine in the haloarene. Answer is option number 2. Question number 65 about the phenol and alcohol. Answer is option number 2. Question number 67 about the esters being reduced by the lithium aluminum hydride. Answer is option number 2. Question number 68, Gabriel thalamide synthesis from amine chapter. Answer is option number 1, primary amines. Question number 69, which one has a slower rate of electrophilic bromination than benzene? Answer is option number 1, electron withdrawing group, nitro group is there. Question number 70, number of atoms in cyclic structure of the D-fructose is option number 1, 5-membered ring it is. Question number 71, about the saturated solution of KCl heated, it becomes what? From the solution chapter, it becomes unsaturated. Question number 72, from the electrochemistry chapter, answer is option number 1. Question number 73, electrolysis involves from the electrochemistry. Again, question number 73, answer is option number 1. Question number 74, this is from the chemical kinetics, and answer is option number 3, second order. Question number 75 from the kinetics chapter, answer is option number 1. Question number 76 from surface chemistry, answer is option number 2. Question number 77 about the volume of CO required to produce 0.25 mole. It can be from first PUC, 11th standard. That is some basic concept chemistry, mole concept. Answer is option number 1. Question number 78, the correct set of quantum numbers from the atomic structure. Answer is option number 3. Question number 79, from the states of matter, Graham's law. Answer is option number 1. Question number 80, from the thermodynamics, delta G naught values. Okay. That is option number 3 here in this case. Question number 81, again about the formation, combustion, all those things from the thermodynamics, thermochemistry. Answer is option number 1. Question number 82, this is about the equilibrium chapter. Answer is option number 2. Question number 83, ionic product of water, again from the equilibrium chapter. Option number 4 here. Question number 84, how many liters of water must be added? Equilibrium, ionic equilibrium. Answer is option number 4. Question number 85, from the redox reaction. Answer is option number 1. Section B, chemistry. Question number 86, this about the, again from the Words reaction. Answer is option number 4. Question number 87, drawback of DDT from the haloarene chapter. Answer is option number 2 here. Question number 88 is from halogenation of alkanes from chapter alkane hydrocarbon. Answer is option number 1. Question number 89, chain growth polymer it is. Answer is option number 4. Question number 90, from the chemistry in everyday life. Answer is option number 1. Question number 91, from the solid state. Answer is option number 3. Question number 92, which of the following liquid pairs show positive deviation from the solution chapter? Answer is option number 2. Question number 93, from the electrochemistry. Answer is option number 1. Question number 94, rate constant for some order given from the chemical kinetics. Answer is option number 4. Question number 95, moving particle may have wave motion if this from the de Broglie equation. So atomic structure. Answer is option number 3. Question number 96, from the chemical bonding, the geometry of the electron pairs given. So answer is option number 3 here. Question number 97, question number 95, answer is 3. Question number 96, answer is option number 1. 96, option number 1. Okay, so it is a SF6. Question number 97, again from the hybridization, chemical bonding. Answer is option number 2. Question number 98, hydrogen resemble hydrogen chapter. Answer is option number 3. Question number 99, about beryllium and aluminium. Okay, so the answer is option number 3. Question number 100, the last question here. Which of the following is only acidic in nature? The answer is option number 3. Boron compounds are electron deficient, so they can accept the electron pair. So it is acidic in nature. So this set of question paper available on my RD Chemistry Telegram channel, student. Please find that file in that Telegram channel. Do well in your exams. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.